Welcome to Mandala High, a place for self-discovery, wellness and education. Before we begin, please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell button of this channel to view daily helpful videos to share. Months have passed since the coronavirus disease started to affect many lives all around the globe. This pandemic not just affect individuals' physiological state but also their psyche as well. There are substantial evidences that show how people react in this kind of situation during our present time. Besides, this type of reaction is caused by different mediums of acquiring information. Some are true while others are fake. In this difficult time, people tend to ignore the emotional consequences of how they react because they prioritize first on what to do in order not to be affected physically, which could lead to fatal consequences. The feeling of fear which individuals feel at this very moment is normal considering that we are facing a life-threatening situation. Human beings' default response whenever he or she encounters a very hard situation is fear. Contrary to what the behaviorists claim that all behaviors can be learned and unlearned, fear is an automatic response. This is a defense used by our ancestors billions of years ago in order to protect themselves from harm. However, prolonged feeling of fear brings negative consequences to the human body. Panic and anxiety caused by fear affects millions of people. This could lead to some serious physical illness produced by excessive amount of cortisol and adrenaline into your body. Studies also show excessive anxiety could weaken your immune system. This leaves you more vulnerable to viral infections and frequent illnesses. Here are the ways on how to lessen panic and anxiety during the coronavirus outbreak. Social media detoxification. Though it is essential to know the current situation of what is really the status of the viral outbreak by using social media. However, overspending too long on social networking sites could affect your mood negatively and would cause you to be anxious. Take a day off to social media. Instead, try to replace social media with another wellness and helpful activities like doing exercise or reading self-help books. These will help you lessen your anxiety and will improve your health. Practice mindfulness. According to the Buddhist teacher Joseph Goldstein, mindfulness is the quality and power of the mind that is aware of what is happening, without judgment and without interference. This meditation technique has been used by Buddhist monks for many years, and this came from the teachings of Buddha. Through mindfulness you will appreciate the essence of what is in the present and not to worry about what is not certain. This exercise makes you grounded with the deeper sense of reality. Reflect and plan. While you are in your home quarantine, try to focus your attention on what would be your goals in the future. This time is the perfect opportunity for you to plan because you have no other distractions. This is also the perfect chance for you to contemplate as to how are you going to improve yourself in relation to your aims in life. Get a chance to have this wellness book by following to this page and by sharing this video. The book will be sent through LBC. Exclusive only in the Philippines.